Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome to Cooking with Afton. Today is Vlogtober day 13. If you're new to my channel, every day in October I will be uploading a video for you guys. Today's recipe is a simple Guyanese beef soup. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let me just show you the ingredients. Hi guys, today I'm going to make some beef soup. So this is just some of my ingredients here. I have my split peas here and I have my beef here. I'm going to make some beef soup today, alright? Just a simple beef soup. So I'm going to put it in the pot now to pressure. So I'm going to pour in my split peas into the pot. And I'm going to put my beef into the pot. Anyway, the salt won't come out, so I'm just gonna put a cube, you know, to give it a little flavor. So I'm gonna let this pressure, and in the meantime I'm gonna whatever I can find in the house to make the soup, I'll use that. But in the description box down below I will put all the ingredients what I normally use for my beef soup, right? Okay, let me see what I can find right now and we'll be back. Alright, this is just a last minute soup that I'm making, and then I was like, okay, let me just see if I can make a video for you guys. You see how I'm thinking about you guys, although I'm not well, but I'm still gonna make this video with whatever ingredients I have here for my Guyanese beef soup. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so these are my other ingredients. We have some parsley flakes, paprika, mustard hot sauce. We have the beef noodles, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, cubes. We have some garlic, onion, shallots, ginger, fine leaf thyme. Celery and some broad leaf thyme. And for provision I have Irish potato, sweet potato, and some ripe plantain. So my peas just finished brushing with my beef, so let me show you guys. So my beef finished brushing with the split peas, so I'm going to pour it over into the pot that I'm going to be using to make my soup. Pour everything over there. I'm going to put in my provision now. And I'm going to flavor my, oh, you guys can't see, I'm going to flavor my pot now. To flavor my soup, I'm going to put in my 2 cubes. I'm going to put in the 1 Wiri pepper. And mustard hot sauce, just a little bit, and some paprika, and a little bit black pepper. Right, and I'm going to put this to boil for about 20 minutes, so we'll be back. Okay, so my soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes, so I'm going to put in my veggies now. My onion, garlic, shallots, ginger, celery. Put in everything. Alright, and mix it into the soup. Just gonna pour a little bit more water and let this boil. Alright, let me taste it. Tastes good. I'm just gonna put a little bit more all-purpose seasoning. Alright, and let it boil. About another 10 minutes and it's all done, so we'll be back. Okay guys, I decided last minute I'm gonna put a couple of dumplings inside. So this is my flour here and this is my sugar, so you're gonna mix it up together. Mix it up real good, and then you're gonna put in some butter. This is the butter here, and you're gonna mix it up the butter into the flour. So the butter and the sugar is mixed up into the flour, and then you're gonna pour a little bit of water. Alright, and make like a soft dough to form some balls. Pour a little bit more water. Like I said, this is a last minute beef soup I'm cooking here. I'll pour a little bit more water. Alright, so we're gonna form it into a ball now. So we'll be back. So you're gonna roll them into a ball. Just like this. Or whatever shape you wanna roll it into. Just roll it in like that. Alright? So we'll be back. So we're gonna put in our beef noodles now. We're gonna mix it in. And then you're gonna put in your dumplings that I just made. You can put it in like different parts of the soup. Alright, don't put all the dumplings one part, just spread them out different parts. Alright, and you let it boil for about 50 minutes, and then the soup is all done. We'll be back. Okay guys, so my soup is done here, so I'm gonna plate it now and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my Guyanese beef soup. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, today is Vlogtober. Well, I think it's day 13. Yeah, today's Vlogtober day 13. Alright, so follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and please give my video a thumbs up guys, and like my video. You can share my video as well. I would really appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this delicious, simple Guyanese beef soup. Alright, so take care guys, stay blessed, bye.